Welcome to Blessed Institute, friends. We have today magic of 11 for the probability. We have some tricks for the sums of tossing a coin. Remember it. In every lecture, I will give you some tricks to solve the sums in one shot or in some few seconds. Remember it. Now see, it is magic of 11. Here, total number of outcomes for tossing a coin once will be 2, and that will be set of HT. If we toss a coin, the results may be H, may be T. So total number of outcomes is called 2. Also we can say the number of elements of sample space. Also we can say the number of elements of sample space. Total number of outcomes for tossing a coin twice. When we toss a coin twice, so the total number of outcomes will be 4. When we toss a coin thrice, so total number of outcomes will be 8, means total number of element of sample space will be 8. When we toss it 4 times, it gives 16 elements in sample space, and when we toss it 5 times, it gives 32 elements in sample space, which to write is little difficult. Now we have magic of 11. You know the Pascal triangle in 11th, right? See, if one time we are tossing a coin, compare it with 11 raised to 1, which gives 1 1. For 2 times 11 square, which gives 1 to 1 by Pascal triangle 1, addition to 1. Then 3 times means 11 cube 1, 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3, 1. 4 times means 11 raised to 4, that is 1, 1 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 1, 1. And then 5 times 11 raised to 5, so 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So it is called magic of 11. So how can we solve the sums? See. Tossing a coin three times, probability for at least 2 head. Tossing a coin 3 times, what is the probability for at least 2 head? So no need to write sample space, no need to count anything. Direct by this magic, by magic of 11, we can solve this sum. See, for 3 times, the number of sample space, element of sample space is 8. ये आपको याद रखना है. Then compare it with 11 cube, that is 1 3 3 1. 1 3 3 1. Now number of head. Maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, 10, maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. So how can we give the answer? See, at least 2 head. At least 2 head means, at least 2 means कम से कम 2 H होने चाहिए. At least 2, कम से कम 2. कम से कम 2 means 2 or more than 2 heads should be there. So 2 or more than 2, that for that we have 3 plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1. Total number of element in sample space is 8. So answer is direct 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Clear? Direct you can give the answer if you know this. No need to write everything. अगर आपको पता है तो डायरेक्ट आपका आंसर फास्ट हो जाएगा. चलो, टॉसिंग अ कॉइन three times, probability for at most 110. Probability for at most 110. What is the meaning of at most? मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक टेल होना चाहिए. ज्यादा से ज्यादा मतलब एक से ज्यादा नहीं, means 1 or less than 1. At most 1 means ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1, means maybe 1, maybe 0. So for that we have two cases. Same here, So answer will be 3 plus 1, same answer 8, 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. Clear? At most 1, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 80, so this is the answer. Clear point? So ये हो गया आपका मैजिक ऑफ 11. ये बात हो गई 3 टाइम्स की. Now 4 times. When we toss a coin 4 times or when we toss 4 coins 1 time, same result, remember it. So not necessarily 1 coin, maybe 4 coins 1 time, maybe 1 coin 4 times. चलो, tossing a coin 4 times. What is the probability for at least 2 heads? For this, we have the number of element in sample space will be 16, and we have to compare it with this. So invite this row 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Now for head 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For tail same 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the way. Now probability for at least 2 head in this kind of sums, हो सके उतना कम से कम लिखेंगे हम, क्योंकि जब सब कुछ होगा वो लॉजिक से होगा, लिखना कम है, बिकॉज दीज आर द एमसीक्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो एमसीक्यू में हमें मेथड शो नहीं करनी होती है. मतलब ये हुआ कि जितना कम लिखेंगे उतना हमारा बेनिफिट है, उतना हमारा टाइम सेव होगा, वो टाइम हम दूसरे को इस सब में डाइवर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो एटलीस्ट 2 हेड, एटलीस्ट 2 हेड मीन्स कम से कम 2. एटलीस्ट 2 मीन्स कम से कम 2 हेड तो होने चाहिए. कम से कम 2 मतलब 2 or more than 2. 2 or more than 2 means this case. So how many cases we have? 6 plus 4 plus 1 equal to 6 plus 4 plus 1. Number of element in sample space is 16. So answer will be 11 by 16. Clear? नो नीड टू राइट सैंपल स्पेस, कुछ भी काउंट नहीं करना है, सीधा आप आंसर दे सकते हो. राइट? सेकेंड इज प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर एट मोस्ट 110. प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर एट मोस्ट 110. एट मोस्ट 110 मीन्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा 80. ज्यादा से ज्यादा 80 मीन्स 1 or less than 1t. 1 or less than 1t means 1 and 0. So ये आएंगे means we have 4 plus 1. Total number of sample space is 16. So answer is 5 by 16. Direct we can give. Clear? Now for 5 times tossing a coin. First, probability for at least 3 heads. Chalo, for 5 times we have the number of element in sample space is 32, and this case we have to consider. So call this row 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Right? Now heads 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tails 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what is the question? At least 3 heads. At least means कम से कम 3 head होने चाहिए. कम से कम 3 means 3 or more than 3 means ये केस आएगा. For this we have 10 plus 5 plus 1. So equal to 10 plus 5 plus 1 upon number of sample space is 32. So 16 by 32 means 1 by 2 is our answer. Second case, probability of at most 410. At most 410. At most 410 means what? ज्यादा से ज्यादा 4 डी होने चाहिए, 4 से ज्यादा नहीं. 4 और लेस देन 4. 4 और लेस देन 4 के लिए ये सारे केसेस आएंगे, मतलब ये सब कुछ हमें लेना है. सो 5 plus 10 15 plus 10 25 plus 5 30 plus 1 is 31. So will be 31 by 2. So in this kind of sums, by this method you can give easily answer. So in every lecture I will give you some little shortcut method and some tricks like this magic. So remember it, don't miss any lecture. And if you like this lecture, so like it and subscribe it, don't miss. Okay, see you, bye.